In this video, I'll guide you through how to log into your HSBC Expat account. Whether you're using a desktop or a mobile device, the process is straightforward and secure. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access the HSBC Expat website or open the HSBC Expat mobile app. If you're on a computer, simply type the URL into your web browser's address bar. For mobile users, you can open the app directly from your home screen. Both platforms are designed to offer a seamless experience, so choose whichever is most convenient for you at the moment. Once the website or app is open, look for the Log On button at the top of the page. This is your gateway to accessing your account, so go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to the login screen where you'll need to input some personal information. You'll be prompted to enter your 10-digit personal banking number. This unique number is provided by HSBC and is essential for verifying your identity. Make sure to enter it carefully to avoid any errors. Following this, you'll need to input your 6-digit telephone banking PIN. Your PIN is a critical component of your account security, so ensure it remains confidential and is entered correctly. Now, for an added layer of security, you'll use your secure key or digital secure key to generate a security code. If you're using the physical secure key, press the button to generate the code. For those with the digital secure key, simply open it on your device and follow the prompts to obtain the code. This step ensures that even if someone knows your personal banking number and PIN, they still cannot access your account without this additional verification. Once you have your security code, enter it when prompted on the login screen. This step is crucial for completing the authentication process. After entering the code, the system will verify your credentials, and there you have it. Once verified, you'll be logged in to your HSBC Expat account, ready to manage your finances at your convenience. Remember, keeping your login details secure is important for protecting your account from unauthorized access. And that's it. That's how to log in to HSBC Expat. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials. Happy banking!